I hope you all had a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year so far. As you can see, I'm playing around with my Ultra Dashcam I got as a Christmas present. The logo is turned on in the settings. You can turn that on and off. This is what it looks like with it turned on. So that's one of the settings I'm showcasing here. It was also a cloudy day, but the main thing is I'm showing the recording at 1080 by 60 frames a second because I figured most people will use 2K or they want to which is at 1550 at 30 frames a second, or they're going to want to record at 60 frames a second and the only option on this camera is at 1080. So figure, well, let's play with that. And yes, it's a lot more smoother than the 30 frames, but at the end of the day, we're just using these cameras as a safety net. Should somebody pull out in front of us or whatnot, we can show what really happened to law enforcement and our insurance company too. So, really, it doesn't really matter too much, but the other thing of this video is how it reacts in oddball lighting situations. It was a cloudy day. You can see the sun has that really bright yellow and red off in the distance, where the sun is out, if you will. And this is kind of how it looks on a cloudy day. You can skip ahead if you want to see it on a sunny day, or you can just wait and just kind of watch through this video. The idea is just to show you different things, like this car passing. Can you see its license plate? How does it look on the move? How does the sign above look? And obviously YouTube's going to play around with the compression and all that stuff, so I'll do the best I can on my side. It's up to YouTube, whatever they do on their side, to how this turns out online. But there are some issues with this camera, no doubt. Things off in the distance tend to be blurry. When I pass like a sign, I believe a sign's coming up here off to the right. Oh, sorry, didn't get that one. But like that sign right there, it's a little blurry. At least what I can tell on my video, and this is the raw recording video. So I don't know how it's going to look on YouTube. That sign's going to be a little blurry. So you can go back, rewatch that part a few times. Things in the distance, like signs, are blurry. After a certain point, it's not clear. I don't know why that is, but it is. But then again, this camera will work, as I said, for showing police, insurance, what happened, right? That's really why we buy these cameras. Like Taco Bell, that's blurry. As I drive by, it shouldn't be that blurry. And this is the next day, it was a lot brighter out. So this is kind of showing you, with it bright out, how is it going to look? So this should give you a really good idea how the camera is going to perform. These people were blocking the exit to get out of this place. Pretty annoying. And I'll just let you decide. Like that hotel that was in front of me at Taco Bell, you could tell the sign is blurry. Just me driving just to show higher speeds on the interstate. How is it going to look? How does the signs turn out? Are you going to be able to gather plate numbers, sign maybe information, speed limit information at recording at 1080p at 60 frames a second? So far, I personally like the 1550, which is 2K, at 30 frames a second for clarity. And even that had some blurs, but it was a lot clearer than this. So unfortunately, the camera does have a downside, and the downside is, it's not the best picture quality, but when you look at the cost, this camera, retails for $100? That's not that bad for just a camera tossed in your car and record for those emergency situations. I'm going to try the other settings. There is a 720 at 30 frames and a 1080 at 30 frames. So I'll give them a whirl. Oh, there's also a 1440. So we'll try that too. And then I'll do one probably at the full 2K, the 1550 with the mic turned on. So far, the mic does work really good. I just didn't want to bring you a video yet of showcasing the mic because there's pluses and minuses to running the mic. You know, I would probably not want to run it full time because you never know. You know, you might say something that is just stupid, and even if you weren't in the wrong, it's just paint you in a bad light, if you will, to the police and to the insurance companies. You know, we all say stupid stuff, and we might say something that, like, you know, that would just get you in trouble or question more. So why have the hassle? So hopefully that intersection showed you some good moving cars to give you an idea. Recording at 1080 by 60 frames a second on the Ultra Dashcam. You guys and gals have a great day. Hopefully this video helps you out to decide what dash cam to get. Have a good one. Take care.